Why your competitor outranks you. It's not what you think. You've done everything right. Great content. You've built some links, but your competitor still ranks above you, and you're wondering, what are they doing that you're not? Well, here's the truth. It's probably not a secret tactic. It's something much simpler and much harder. Most business owners think there's a magic ranking formula. That one thing, whether it's backlinks, meta tags, or the latest AI trick, will finally push them to the top. But that's not how it works. Today, we're breaking down the real reason your competitor outranks you. And spoiler alert, it's not a shortcut. The misconception. Google doesn't rank websites based on one factor. The algorithm evaluates hundreds of ranking signals: content quality, backlinks, site speed, user experience, architecture, keyword alignment. The list goes on. When you're chasing that one breakthrough tactic, you're looking in the wrong place. Why every competitor ranks differently. Here's something important. Your competitor might rank for completely different reasons than you think. One competitor might have weak backlinks but outstanding in-depth content. Another might have mediocre content but stellar page speed and a clean site structure. They're not all using the same formula. Google is looking at each site individually, evaluating what that site does well and what it needs to improve. The real factors that actually work. So, what actually moves the needle? Here are the real players: content quality and depth. Your competitor probably has stronger, more thorough content, not just good, comprehensive, and authoritative. High quality backlinks, not spam, real relevant links from trusted sources. Site structure and architecture, a clean, logical site that Google can crawl and understand easily. Core web vitals and page speed, fast, responsive pages that don't frustrate users. Keyword, intent alignment. They're not just using keywords, they're answering the exact question their audience is asking. And if they're ahead of the curve, they're likely using AI-driven content strategies, but used correctly, not as a shortcut. The compound effect. The real secret? There is no secret. Top ranking sites achieve their position through consistent strategic work across multiple fronts over time. They're not doing one thing perfectly, they're doing many things well, and they keep doing them. It's the compound effect. Small improvements in content, technical performance, backlinks, and user experience stacked together create real ranking power. The warning. Here's something to watch for. If an SEO agency approaches you with a promise of one solution, whether it's a backlink strategy, a content hack, or an AI tool, be skeptical. Real SEO is comprehensive. It requires work on multiple fronts. Anyone selling you a single fix is either oversimplifying or selling you something that won't work long term. So, what does this mean for you? Stop looking for the magic fix. Start building a multifaceted SEO strategy: better content, stronger technical performance, relevant backlinks, user experience. Keyword alignment. It's not flashy, it's not a shortcut, but it's how you actually outrank your competitors. Ready to improve Google rankings for your small business? Schedule a consultation with us. We'll do a free SEO audit and walk you through exactly where you're showing up, where you're missing out, and what to fix first. No fluff, no jargon, just clarity. Click the link in the description to book your slot. Until next time, keep optimizing. See you soon.